Work, respected sirs, all parents of all achievers and all achievers. ମୁଁ Manoranjan Sahu. I belong to Kangaradi village of Paramba block, and I joined Navy, Indian Navy, in the year 2005. And after completion of my initial engagement of 15 years, I got retired in the year 2020. And being at my mid 30s, that is I got retirement in the year 2020 at 34 years of my age. And having a family and a kid, it is very tough for me to go for civil service examinations. Still, the attitude whichever I have learned during my tenure in Navy, sir, that never the attitude. And during my last years of service, I was posted in Naval Headquarters, and where I have seen many secretaries like sir, Suresh sir, most cities बहुत एमती माने officials देखी secretary देखी सब Kevin, that inspired me a lot to go for this administrative job. And last time I couldn't qualify only because of false set of 49 marks. But this time, by grace of God, Lord Jagannath, my parents, my family, I come up with flying colors this time. And I hope the attitude and the things which I have learned in Navy, that Uddamena is Yanti Karjani. It inspired me a lot toward my career in Navy. And I was also, during my service career, I was posted in various capacity. That is in frontline warship like INS Virat and Vikramaditya, and the premier training establishment of Indian Navy, that is INS Chilka. I was also posted there as an instructor for 3 years. And always I keep on motivating everyone and youngsters also, and in my village also I am also engaging myself in a defense club in which we are giving training to all the youngsters those who are volunteer for security and police jobs and armed forces job also. So मो हार्ट रे एबे भी मैंने मो मार्के पे दस भाई मो मन बहुत अच्छी बिकॉज मो भी इंटर साइंस पर 2005 रे मो जॉइन कर दी नेवी बड़मा कॉलेज पाठ पढ़ला पड़े देन आई चूज टू जॉइन नेवी बिकॉज being it is a government job and pensionable job also, but being in service I did my masters, and the wholesome preparation was very good for me, though I have compromised some family